you are a speaker of Uganda, you are not a speaker for yourself. Fortunately, where I come from, we also gave the president serious votes, more than 80% on average. So this time, we have a claim on the political cake. There is the national cake, but the political cake is based on how many votes you brought. I was declared as a member of parliament elect. I started getting calls from many of the elected members of parliament urging me to contest for the position of speaker. So what does an intelligent person do? The NRM has the majority of members of parliament, and it is only natural that the majority party should provide the speaker. So right now, I'm carrying out consultation about that prospect. We will also meet the leadership of the NRM, including the president, and talk openly about it. After all, everything we are doing is for Uganda. You are a speaker of Uganda, you are not a speaker for yourself. Fortunately, where I come from, we also gave the president serious votes, more than 80% on average. So this time, we have a claim on the political cake. There is the national cake, which means roads, bridges, electricity, schools, health facilities. That is they call it the national cake. Whether you have voted for the winner or not, you are entitled to it. But the political cake is based on how many votes you brought. And this time, in where I come from, the vote jumped from 44% to over 80%. And I was instrumental in shaping that narrative. I have always been the one scattering the president's votes in that area. This time I was the one gathering it. So I'm sure he will also take that into consideration as we carry out our consultations. And so the decision of who will be speaker is highly political, and there are many interested parties. So a day is a very long time in politics. We are still in today is 3rd of February. The elections are in May. So nobody should take anything for granted. Even me, I cannot take anything for granted. The Baganda say, "Chotanalia toche sunga." So I cannot claim this or that, but I can only claim that we must put the national interest first. But also we must not tear apart the country because of a position.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.